Hey, what's this big thing?
It's the recovery center. If somebody dies, you can go recover them.
Did anyone die yesterday?
Yeah, Button and Tomato died. Snatch.
Oh, what happened?
Anyways, everyone that got on the mountain last time gets to pick their teams. Since Bricky got on the mountain first, he gets to pick his team. I don't even think he knows how to speak.
Yummy and ice patchy, quarter and magnet.
And now Popsicle's turn to pick his team.
Well, since sunscreen accidentally helped me, I'll pick her. How about tomato and potato? And tape and soda cat.
And now Rubik's Cube, pick your team.
Dicey and Cuppy.
Pick 3 more.
I guess Forky, Spoony, and Candy Cane.
And now Bowling Ball.
Pop socket. The AirPods, Sun, and Moon.
Your first objective is to pick 2 people from your team. One will be called the grocer, and the other one will be called the puker. The puker's objective is to try not to puke, and the grocer's objective is to try to get them to puke. Whoever pukes first loses. Now go!
Wow, those were such good name choices.
Well, I think Moon should be the puker, and I should be the grocer.
Well, I guess I'll be the puker, and how about Dicey can be the grocer?
Go!
So, Soda Cap, do you want to be the grocer?
Sure.
Okay. Tape, do you want to be the puker?
No, not really.
Too bad.
That's not fair. I don't want to be the puker.
Well, neither do I.
Can I be a contestant? I guess. Just wait until somebody gets eliminated. Hey, some of us didn't get picked. What are we supposed to do?
Well, I guess just become a new team.
So who's gonna be the puker? I guess I'll be the grocer. Oh, I got an idea. Pop socket, go get me some soap.
Okay.
What is the soap for?
This is what it's for.
And Bowling Ball's team is up for elimination. Vote one of these contestants to leave the game. To vote, comment one of their names. Whoever gets the most votes will be eliminated next episode. Voting ends on May 1st.